Hello everybody, this is Kenneth Ellie from BalanceBikeTraining.com, and today we're going to do a short review on the Tootscoot balance bike. I've been featuring these bikes for a while now, and I've been very impressed with them. They are very compact bikes. First of all, if you're going on a trip to the beach or something like that and you don't have a lot of room, you would want one of these bikes, especially if your child is between the ages of 1 to 3 years old and that has not ridden a bike. These bikes are perfect for them. First of all, I just want to look at the box. It comes in, the packaging is very small, very easy to stow away if you're going to buy it and put together at the beach. But also, once it's put together, very easy. Well, let me take that back. I have not put one of these together yet, so I'm trying to do this live on this video. So let's take a look and see what we get inside. You get a seat. You get a frame. Let's see what's on this frame. This is one of the blue Tootscoot. You get the handlebars. And you know why I say, I like these for kids starting out. The wheels. I mean, you got very thick wheels, very wide wheels. Very low to the ground. So for a 1-year-old, 2-year-old who is short, perfect size for them. What else we get here? The other wheel. There's the handlebars, what goes on the other wheel. The neck. And some tools and instructions. So, like I said, I have not put one of these together. I don't know how easy or difficult it is to put together, so we're going to attempt to put this together real quick. See what it takes. We got 2 wrenches that come with it, something for the neck, some other tools to tighten up the bolts. Let's take a look at the instructions. Alright. So figure 1 is just pretty much putting the handlebars together. You get 4 bolts. Let's see, where is that neck at? Here is the neck. Alright. And it's saying to take these bolts out. Stick with me, guys. We're going to try to put this together pretty quick. Since it is a live video, you'll see how long it takes you to put this together. Of course, it may take me a little longer. I don't know. But I want you to get a full sense of the time it will take, so that if you ever decide to purchase this, you get a real idea of the amount of work it would take. Okay, so we got the neck off. Put that in there. This on top. Let's go ahead and tighten this down. Most of these balance bikes that I have had the pleasure of putting together and selling are not this intense in terms of work to put them together. So don't get intimidated by the inner workings of putting these balance bikes together. This just happens to be what you have to do for the Tootscoot. Now I'm not going to tighten everything up exactly real tight and everything. I want to just get it together real quick, if possible. Alright, this seems pretty tight. They're saying to go ahead and add that too. I'm saying to add this part first. Let's add this. So you have to put the bearings in here. I assume that these are the bearings, yeah. The lower bearing. And you have the upper bearing. This might be a longer video, guys, but if you stick with me, hopefully we'll get this together soon. Alright. Bearings in place. Put the neck in. Of course, you know, we still have a few other things that need to be put on. Okay. So we need to put on the bearing adjuster cap. Tighten all that down. Wow. A little more complicated than I thought it would be. To be. Lower head to just okay. Now you are going to need a wrench for this part up here. Ah, boy. Yeah, this is a little more complicated than I thought it was going to be. Of course, I had to step on the wrong way. Okay, that makes a little more sense right there. I got that. Adjuster cap. Adjuster cap. Okay. And I got the top cap that goes over top. Now that looks a lot better. Let's go from here. Then you got the front wheel with its washers. Now I didn't tighten up the handlebars on this, just wanted to give you a quick overview. Washer. Alright, put in the seat. Voila. Now everything's not tightened on it. Still may be a little more adjustments I need to put on it, but that's pretty much it. And that's how a Tootscoot will look assembled. And how fast it will take. Of course, I'm on tape. I'm a little nervous, so I'm not doing as good as I probably need to be. But that's pretty much how it needs to be done. This is Kenneth Elliott from BalanceBikeTraining.com. If you have any questions, please leave them on the interview. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please visit us at BalanceBikeTraining.com whenever you get a chance. Thanks and have a great day.